Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to make your profile sections more organized and visually appealing, helping key information stand out to recruiters and connections. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and various options. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice your profile picture and name. Click directly on your profile to navigate to your full profile page. This is where all your professional information, experience, and sections are displayed. Now that you're on your profile, look for the button that says Add Section. This button allows you to add or modify different parts of your profile to better showcase your skills and background. Click on it to see the available options. From the menu that appears, select Add About. The About section is one of the most important parts of your LinkedIn profile because it's where you can introduce yourself and highlight what makes you unique professionally. This is also where adding bullet points can really help organize your information. Next, you'll need to grab a bullet point symbol. Open a new tab in your browser and go to google.com or whichever search engine you prefer. In the search bar, type bullet point symbol and hit enter. You'll see various results showing different bullet point styles. Find a bullet point symbol that you like and click copy to copy it to your clipboard. This is a simple but effective workaround since LinkedIn doesn't have a built-in bullet point feature in all sections. Now switch back to your LinkedIn tab where you have the About section open. To paste the bullet point symbol, press Ctrl V if you're on Windows or Command V if you're on a Mac. The bullet point will appear in the text box. Right after the bullet point, input your text. This could be a key achievement, a skill, or any important information you want to highlight. The bullet point helps it stand out and makes your profile easier to scan. You can repeat this process for as many bullet points as you need. Simply paste another bullet point symbol using Ctrl V or Command V, then add your next piece of information. This creates a clean, organized list within your About section. Once you've added all your bullet points and text, click Save. Your changes will be applied immediately, and your profile will now display a well-structured, professional-looking About section with bullet points. And that's it. You've successfully added bullet points to your LinkedIn profile, making it more readable and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.